Hi guys. How to make Lamborghini Urus kit car using wood board, construction foam, construction putty, fiberglass or carbon fiber. I used a 3D scan model of the Lamborghini Urus. I work only with accurate 3D scan models from Forza, so all dimensions are the same as the original car. Look at their YouTube channel how they scan cars and you will have not doubts. Great technology. After that I divided this 3D scan model it into sections. The standard step between the main car buck sections 10 cm. Step for front and rear sections 5 cm. Then I saved a digital car buck files in the JPEG and DXF format. These digital car buck files need to print on a regular paper printer. You can use absolutely any paper printer. Or need to cut on a CNC or laser machine to obtain wooden car buck sections. From this wooden sections need to assemble a car buck. Then the space between the sections need to fill with construction foam and the surface covered with construction putty. Next, need to make fiberglass molds for the further production of a fiberglass body. The main thing is that you made fiberglass molds once, you can make many fiberglass bodies. A fiberglass body is made from the resulting fiberglass molds. The finished fiberglass body is installed on a suitable donor car or on a homemade frame. The Lamborghini Urus is ready. Many of my clients make this without any experience. First, be sure to watch this short video. And after that, if you need digital car buck files, then
Welcome.